Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting direct access to the router. You'll want the model, admin username, and password in front of you. These are often on the device label. Once done, connect your laptop by Ethernet or reliable Wi-Fi so settings don't drop. Next, open a browser and enter the router IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, then sign in. This gives you the control panel where bandwidth and radio settings live, and you're ready for the first configuration changes. You now find the wireless section in the router UI. It's usually labeled Wireless, Wi-Fi, or Advanced Wireless. Once there, select the radio band you want to adjust to, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, because devices behave differently on each. Make sure to change the channel width setting, 20 MHz for congested areas, 40 or 80 MHz to boost throughput where interference is low. Also pick a specific channel to avoid neighbors, and apply changes to the correct SSID so devices reconnect properly. You finish by saving your changes and rebooting the router when requested. This ensures settings take effect. After reboot, reconnect your devices to the SSID and run speed and latency tests in different rooms to validate bandwidth and coverage. If throughput drops or devices won't connect, undo one change at a time to isolate the problem. Make sure firmware is current, and consider returning to a narrower channel width if interference appears. A final tip: factory reset only as a last resort because it erases custom configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.